I'm out with the dog today. We're on the Pennine Way. We're going to be walking in an area where last night people were stranded up on the hill. It made the national news. It's called Blackstone Edge, and there is a footpath somewhere around here. We need to be going way up there, high up, where it'll be wild, windy, cold, blowing a gale, snowing. So I'll keep on walking, less talking. I'll catch you later. It's getting wild, really wild now. That's the Pennine Way. That's the Pennine Way behind me. That bus that was on the news last night is here. And that doesn't look good. Looks like the TV crews are there filming that coach.
Come here. Come on. Come on, in here. Come on. Come on. Get you in. Come on. Oh, tomato soup. Right, well, we're nice and cosy in here. I think the weather's just going to be all round us today, and we're not far from home.
Well, the snow's come down here in the Pennines. See this? Look at that. Don't be worrying, he's been rolling all day in this snow, so he loves it, believe me. He got me glove. He got me. Hey.